Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am actually back, you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I know I told you guys once before that me and Bae were thinking about going to Little Pirates Preview. If you guys do not know what that is, it's like an ultrasound facility where you go to get like 3D ultrasounds, find out the gender and things like that of your unborn baby. So we actually did go. So like I was saying, you guys, we actually saw the baby. Now I actually know how many weeks I am, because you guys already know that I was super anxious about finding out how many weeks I was the baby okay, and things like that. So let's go ahead and get into the big question that everybody want to know: how many weeks I am. You guys, I am 6 weeks and 5 days. I actually thought I was more than that. Like, I really thought I was like 8-9 weeks, okay? But I'm actually 6 weeks and 5 days. So tomorrow I will actually be 7 weeks, okay? So, well, right now I'm actually 6 weeks and 6 days. So tomorrow I will be 7 weeks. So every Friday I will turn an additional week, okay? So we actually saw our little P. You guys, when I say little P, I literally mean little P. The baby is super little. Oh my goodness. She was like, oh my goodness, you're actually less than what I thought you were. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, well, how many weeks am I? So she told me I was 6 weeks and 5 days at that time. So anyway, we saw the baby, and at this time when we were seeing the baby, it was really small. You guys, it really wasn't much to see. She did let us hear the heartbeat. At this time, the baby's heartbeat was beating 128 beats per minute. So that was really good. She said the baby was really healthy heartbeat, healthy fetus. So that was reassuring, you guys. So let's talk about what I got y'all at this ultrasound appointment that I went to. So you guys, I found out that I can get a sneak peek early DNA gender test. Y'all, when she was like, oh, you can get an early gender test at 9 weeks, baby, like, yes ma'am, I do want this at 9 weeks. Like, this is something so new. I remember I used to always see women like, oh, well, I know how many weeks I am, y'all. And I'm thinking to myself, well, how in the world she know how many weeks she is? She's not even that far along. And now I know, because you can find out how many weeks you are through a clinical, through clinical blood, y'all. So that is amazing. Like, why they couldn't have this when I was pregnant with all my children? So it's just $129, and you get your results in 2 days. But they said that you could upgrade your plan for $20 more and get your results the same day. So who ain't gonna upgrade their plan for $20 more? Me. So when we left, I was like, babe, I told the lady, Meredith, I said, you got me sold. I definitely am coming back. So she was like, okay, great. Just call me. We're gonna schedule your next appointment or whatever. So I'm definitely calling her. I got a couple of more weeks and I'm calling, okay? So this right here is what the brochure looks like, you guys, right here. Can you guys see this? Like, oh my goodness. I was super excited about this, because I have never heard anything like this in my years of being pregnant, y'all. Y'all know I've been pregnant, so I have never, and my sisters, like, they've been pregnant. We never heard anything like this. So I know when I tell them about this, they are going to be so freaking excited. So yes, it says clinical studies have shown that fetal DNA clears from mom's bloodstream between a few hours to 2 days after birth. I previously had a boy. Will that skew my results? So obviously the answer is no. Okay, so it says I'm having twins. So if you were having twins and you wanted to get a sneak peek of your genders of each baby, what would happen is they will tell you the gender of one baby, and they don't have the technology well, they can't tell you the sex of the other baby, if that makes any sense. So if they tell you that your one twin is a girl, they don't know if the other twin is a girl or a boy. They said it's super safe. It's non-invasive prenatal test, so it's safe for the baby and me. So I'm definitely getting this done, y'all. So definitely be looking out for this. And it says also that they have your blood drawn, your sample is mailed to the participating labs, and you get it to your email, y'all. Email. So I'm finna be opening my email to figure out what we having. So they definitely had me sold. So anyway, let's get back to the baby. So the baby is great. Like I said, the baby is 6 weeks, 5 days. Today, 6 weeks, 6 days. So yeah, y'all, I was super excited about seeing the baby. So my symptoms this week, you guys, I have literally been really nauseous. I've been really tired, like so fatigued, like I don't know, y'all. I just can't even get out of the bed some days. So babe, he's at work today, but he's actually been taking so much time off to be home with me and to help me out around the house with the kids, because you guys, there's just so much, and some days I just can't get out of bed because I'm so tired and drained. So yeah, I've been really nauseous, and that's been all day long. I have not thrown up. I think I only thrown up 3 times so far, but I've been nauseous all day. Scents are starting to be really bad, and y'all, it's just terrible, okay? And 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago, I was lightly spotting. Don't know what that is, but I'm just hoping that it continues to be. I hope it goes away, y'all, because I just want it to go away, okay? Spot and be gone, period. So yeah, I've been crampy. I've been cramping really bad, so I've been taking Tylenol to ease that away. Other than that, I think that's about it. I've been drinking a lot of water. Like, I've been really thirsty lately. I don't know why, but I've been drinking a lot of water. I've been really thirsty. And I'm not talking about just like, oh, give me a bottle of water and I'm great. No, I need several bottles of water. But yeah, you guys, I'm just inserting the clips as I talk to y'all so you guys can see the baby and stuff like that. I think I will go ahead and show y'all my pictures so you guys can see. It says Little Pirates Preview. Y'all, here comes AJ. He was back there in the back playing with the boys. So I don't know if you guys can see that arrow. That right there is the baby. A little P. A little P right there. Right there. So that's the baby. I think it's 2D or 3D. 3D. So this right here is the baby. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really small. But that's the baby. Let's see. Let me show you guys one more. Show you guys one more good one. So this right here is the baby. It's a little bit more bigger because she zoomed in a little bit more. So this right here is the baby. She said we're gonna look, make sure it's not 2, but now it's just 1. So yeah, you guys, I definitely wanted to come and give you guys an update on baby number 7, how I've been feeling and things like that. If you guys want to know any other questions, y'all just comment below and ask away. Make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Make sure you guys are sharing on your social media with your family and friends, because you guys remember, sharing is caring. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.